Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have a brand new 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper that came to us all the way from Arizona. Yes, the customer drove from Arizona to Los Angeles to have my team and I customize it for him. Starting off with the obvious, take a look at this beautiful color change PPF wrap from our friends at TMaxx. It's called Gloss Iridescent Unicorn. And when the sun is shining on it like it is right now, you can see all these beautiful different hues and shades of purple, red, green, a little bit of yellow, definitely different shades of gray. And when it's not sunny out or when it's the nighttime, this vehicle looks like a very special, just kind of like shade of gray. So very fun to go ahead and have this on your Juniper. Now, this is the world's first Juniper to have this film on it. It's been very popular with us in the past with Cybertruck owners, but I love the way it looks on the Juniper. I actually like it more than the Cybertruck. Very special color, very appropriate for the brand new Model Y. Now, this customer did not stop there. They went ahead and had us change out the wheels. They didn't like the 19-inch wheels that came with it, so they chose one of my favorites, our 19-inch TSH wheels, finished in satin black. Now, these wheels are super cool because they're directional. So the right side and the left side, two different directions. Obviously, you get that really nice aero look, and it's, again, a nice look on the Juniper. When we finished all this, the customer took it one step further and wanted us to go ahead and apply TMaxx ceramic coating onto the PPF. And what that does is it takes your warranty from 7 years to 10 years, helps seal in a beautiful shine on the wrap, which we all want, help prevent wrap degradation, and provide for much easier cleanup. Now, to finish it all off, we also tinted the windows, as you can see, for some heat reduction and UV rejection to give it a really nice look, especially since it gets so hot in Arizona. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you love our content. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.